Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's discuss something about some great ways to look smart and stylish. Again, with whatever you have. No need to go spending loads of money on something which is like not required. So, the very first tip is when you're wearing something which is a very deep neck, a sleeveless, or a halter, try not wearing something short at the bottom. The bottom wear should always be medium length, not too short, not too long. Pair up your sleeveless or your halters with trousers, pants, jeans, or skirts which are longer or around your knee length. Not too long also, because that won't really look very nice. So this is the trick. Too much body show is not appropriate, and it doesn't give a very great image of yours as well. Next tip is layer up. If your weather allows, or if you're working in an environment which is completely air conditioned, or it's a cooler place, I think you should always have a third layer on. It looks really smart, elegant, and gives authority to whatever you do, to your personality, to your look. Look appropriate, smart, elegant, and authoritative. That's what we need, I guess, right? If you have skinny legs, I would advise you not to go in for a very tapered trousers, denims, or nowadays that you're getting very skinny fit bottom wear. Please avoid wearing that, because that will actually enhance your skinny legs, which doesn't look appropriate, and enhances your lower body, which no one would like to. It emphasizes on the parts which you want to camouflage. So avoid wearing very skinny trousers, denims. Instead, you wear slightly tapered trousers, slightly comfort wear, which will actually enhance your body shape, your lower body. Accessorize. The next important tip is wear the perfect matching accessories along with your outfits to enhance your look. If you're wearing thin long neck pieces, you can team up with studs or maybe thinner danglers, which will look nice and complement each other. And if you're wearing, by any chance, if you're wearing something very heavy and a chunky neck piece, then I think you should avoid on your earrings. Maybe very tiny studs, or nothing at all. Or else, if you're wearing something very heavy in your ears, then I think you should totally go without anything on your neck. That'll look really nice. Footwear is as essential as a very nice, appropriate dress, because that's another thing which is noticed very easily and immediately. So you must invest in very good pair of footwear in which you're most comfortable, because mostly what people do, they buy very high heels in which they are very uncomfortable to walk, and you actually make a fool of yourself if you're not able to walk properly, because it really imparts your image. Don't buy too many pair of footwear, because the first thing is that they get spoiled very quickly if they are not in use, and secondly, buy only as much as is required. I guess two or three pairs of footwear which are of colors which complement most of your outfits in your wardrobe are good enough. Don't go in for too high heels, because as I already said, it really impacts on your image. And secondly, it's very uncomfortable. Maybe you'll have a backache, maybe you'll have a footache, and you might not be very comfortable and confident with your own self. Instead, you go in for comfortable wear, go in for the certain shades like the nudes, black, or any one or two other shades which mostly go with most of your things in your wardrobe. So invest sensibly, wear sensibly, look smart, look great, and adorn yourself. A very important topic, which most of us are not very comfortable discussing, but I sure would like to put some light on it, because that is one part which is the most important for we ladies, is our inner wear. We really are not comfortable talking about it, but the people who do not know what size to wear and what to do are total image breakers, and they really make things awkward for themselves as well as for the others. Ladies, please know and wear your correct size. Most of us are not aware of our correct size. We end up buying and wearing something which is very tight or very loose. So that really does not, it affects our outfits as well, what we are wearing. So we need to see to it that we are wearing our correct size, so that the dress which we are wearing, that also complements, because it is actually it really spoils the image if you are not correctly dressed up in our wears. So please make sure that you buy your correct size. In case you need any help, I'm always available to help you all. Sloopy, loose, the side vans hanging, they are a total no. So please make sure that you find your correct size and you wear it. And one more important part is your lowers. With your fitted trousers, pants, or dresses, one-piece dresses, body hugging dresses, please make sure that you wear seamless panties, because it doesn't look nice showing off the lining of your panties. I'm talking all this here, but I really want to lot of ladies to know that, because I have seen quite a few of them who really do not know or who do not care, which actually looks really obscene, especially when you go to the gym. um, it 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 really doesn't really look really nice that you're showing off. Please invest in seamless ones, because they will actually make you look smart rather than making you look obscene. So make sure next time that you hit the gym after this lockdown, that you are in your gym wear along with the seamless ones. Make sure you do that. If you are heavy on your bottom or your midriff, make sure that you wear your panties which have the band, which will camouflage the odds. Make sure you do that, because that will really create a wonderful impact later. You try wearing that and you see it will really help you. And secondly, even when you're wearing an evening outfit, you try and wear a corset. That will enhance your look as well as the look of your dress. Flaunt your perfect figure, even if you don't have it. That's perfectly okay. These are some tricks which you can actually get into action. A good body posture makes one feel and look smart and stylish. Make sure while you're sitting or you're standing, your posture is perfect. You're sitting straight with your back upright, not that you're slouching, because slouching gives a very different impression. If you're sitting straight upright, it's very good for your back as well. You won't have any pain, and slouching will make your shoulders also droop down, and it gives the impression that you're not a very confident person. You are you It gives a very different image of what you actually must be. While standing as well, make sure that the balance is on both your feet, not that you're standing on one foot or the other foot, trying to rest on one of them. That also is again not very good for your posture as well, for your well-being as well. See to it next time, while you're standing straight, with a very confident look, which will make you look taller as well. A room full of people and you walk in with confidence. Wow, what an impression that you will actually create. My dear friends, make sure that your walk is confident, nice and confident. You're not stumbling. Wear a footwear, as I already spoke to you earlier, which will not hamper your walk. So a walk also talks a lot about you. So next time you enter or you meet people, make sure that your walk is nice and confident. It talks a lot about you again. I'm repeating a few of my tips again and again, because they are actually very close to my heart, and I feel, and when I look at people, or even I have improvised upon that. So these are certain tips which I keep telling again and again, which are are of utmost important for all of us. We ladies, we need to change, we need to upgrade, we need to empower each other. So let us all grow, empower each other, and be there for each other. Thank you so much.